Okay, step one. Take the door off the pre-hung thing after you realize that you're not really doing the right thing. Okay, stage two.
This video is brought to you by Ferberware.
Stage two, we realized that we couldn't get the pins out, all of them out, so we put the pin back in, and now we have to trim the top part because it's a little bit tight. All right, step three. We've lowered the door down, and I'm holding it so that way we could trim a little bit more off, and we're gonna put it up and hopefully screw it in place now. All right, step four. We made a little bit of a mess on the floor. Carpet got a little bit curled up over there. I just want to say that we did refer to a YouTube video around steps 1 and 2. But yeah, we're unwrapping the shims now and getting ready to put them in place like that, like so. All right, we'll be back. All right, step 5. I don't know if we already discussed this or not, but we are screwing the door up now after doing the shims. It's about as level as it's gonna get.
Looks good for my house.
Yeah, yeah. Like I said, we had a lot of trouble
with life
with that door.
And it's sticking out.
Probably should have.
It's not level this way.
Probably should have gotten that door off. Would have made life a lot easier, but we gave up probably prematurely on that one. But
pretty quickly.
Anyway, we'll be back with step 6.
Give up pretty quickly.
All right, step 6. Pretty much a continuation of step 5. We abandoned the level at this stage, but it seems to be going together all right.
Make sure you get 4 packs.
Yeah, as a reminder to people doing a job like this, you're definitely going to want to get a lot of shims.
The more the better.
Yeah, because as you can see, here, smile at me through the gap over here. Yeah, but
cleaner can fit right through it.
Yeah, so you know it's going together. It's gonna work. So we'll be back.
Step 7.
All right, step 7. We're putting in the.
Step 7 would be to cut the shims off.
Oh no,
we're just trying out the doorknob first. So step 8 would be the doorknob. So this is step 8. We'll come back to it with step 7.
Yeah, we're just putting the knob in right now just to get a good feel for it. We're pretty confident in this work. Top notch.
A+. Rated by the Better Business Bureau.
We'll be back. Okay, step 8. We're gonna cut the.
Talk about step 7. How you put the doorknob in.
Shit. No, I mentioned that in the previous step, didn't I? Yeah, I did, didn't? Yeah.
Works well.
Yep. So gonna be cutting those shims off now, and basically an almost perfect door install. And we did this all in about 15 minutes. Okay, bonus step, step 9. We got this can of Great Stuff expandable foam filler duty, and we're gonna fill up this small gap here with it, all the way around, real nice and slow like. Have a friend hold the a piece of a popsicle stick on the other side to keep it from shooting through into their face. Thank you. Okay, final thoughts. Filming our outro here.
It's not a word.
It's pretty good. We'll do the test here. Give me that Ace Ventura when he's opening the door and he goes, Go ahead. Keep going. Yeah, very soundproof.